Hello everyone, my name is Victor and today I'll show you how the new analytical superpowers could help with managing your item availability. This solution is inspired by a real client solution. Its portfolio consists of more than 30,000 products constructed from more than 20,000 items which are bought by more than 600 suppliers and sold to more than 150 clients. Also, more than 2,500 orders have to be executed per month to make business running properly. The main client's needs and goal is to manage item availability for 90-day horizon. Because of a huge amount of related data, Excel is no longer a sufficient tool for handling holistic management of related processes. There are three important data sources connected to the solution. The blue line displays the final calculation of stock regarding production requirements, displays by red line, and receipts for suppliers, displays by the yellow line. Considering the particular item, we are able to see that there are two critical out of the stock periods. On the next sheet, the user can see the original projection without any optimizations and also optimized plan offered directly by the app. There are also direct recommendations for particular scheduled orders, whether they should be ordered now, move sooner, or move later. Finally, on the last sheet, is there enabled to edit orders quantities and dates directly in the app using Redback solution Infinity Forms. For each particular order and item, a new optimized date could be set up, also with the possibility for leaving notes. So let's do it. After the new order dates adjustment and upper calculation, as the user, I am able to see the new optimized projection displayed by the green line. And also, I'm able to see that both out of the stock periods for the 90 days projection are missing. Adjusting the order quantity enables the user to optimize the level of stock for the most suitable amount. In case the planned amount becomes insufficient, the new order is automatically offered to the user with the direct amount and the particular date. Everything in the one app directly with the complete changelog and history. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your new analytical superpowers.